have a hot beverage in there. I've had this in here over an hour. You can still see that it's steaming up. Now the outside does not get hot. It's not going to burn you, but inside it's insulated. It's double walled, so it keeps it hot. Also, before I even open this cap, now this is risky. I have a hot chocolate in there. Dare I do this? I have my phone down here. Okay, it has this lid. Look at that. Zero leaking. It's amazing. And I love the color. Isn't that like the prettiest color ever? So such a pretty color. The size is perfect because it can fit in most cup holders, which I think is great. So you can travel with it. Now, once you pop it up, you have a wide mouth in there. Super easy to drink. I've had my hot chocolate in here for over an hour and it's still warm and hot. So I'm in for that. Delicious. I love how easy this is to take on the go, and that no spilling factor is one of the best parts. Love the color, love the size of it. If you're looking for a really good coffee tumbler for hot beverages, that's great on the go. You're going to love this one.